Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to the next Bitcoin breakdown with your boy Dave Rodriguez, one of the head traders here inside the Cryptocurrency Alliance. Friday night, guys, keep it short, keep it sweet. Hope you guys had a wonderful week. Hope you guys had some profitable trades. Let's get started real quick. Those of you that are new, make sure you stick around to the end. We give away a free ebook and a free training series. I'll tell you a little bit more about it at the end. Let's get started on the breakdown real quick. Guys, we're going to look at Bitfinex and BitMEX. One is a margin trading chart, and one is the Bitcoin US dollar chart. Bitfinex. Start Bitfinex. They look the same, guys. In the 4 hour, we had a nice little bearish flag, broke outside of it, came down, tapped the 61.8, also tapped the trend line, the major trend line that Bitcoin has broken out of. As you can see, this dotted line represents that. We've been calling that nice little breakdown. If it broke down, it would break down to that area and retest that trend line. So it looks like it's doing that. Over here on the right, on the left, you can see the same thing, guys. Breaks up, follows the channel, rises 3 times, and then falls down to 61.8 retracement zone. This zone is a major retracement zone. All the MAs are pointing down except for the 200 and the 100. Really the 52, they're kind of flattening out. The 50 has crossed the 100 and the 200, which is a bullish sign. What I think is going to happen, that 10 and 20 are going to come down and touch some of those larger MAs. The 10 and 20 are the orange and the green here. They're going to come down and touch some of these larger MAs. But I do see a nice retrace back up to this area to see if we could break back inside, maybe create a double top, maybe right off the outside of this where it broke out of. Maybe it comes up, retests this area again, falls down, or maybe it keeps right on going and continues its bullish route. Over here we got a lot of these wicks here. You can see a reversal pattern has formed right here. One candle here, two candles here, three candles here. It's not the strongest because this is like a morning star. You want this to be up about 50% for this to be a really valid pattern. So it's a pattern, but it's not a really strong pattern. If it breaks and closes below the 61.8 or the bottom half of this candlestick here, then it's probably going to invalidate it. Same thing here. We don't have the pattern, but we do have the hammer. We have two hammers in a row. We have the 61.8 and we have the breakout here. So I could see a retest up here in this area. I would love to see it break through and keep going, guys, but I could see the retest and a complete collapse to the downside to retest the lows. It is the weekend. A lot of traders pull their money out, so we're going to see low volume. Last weekend we saw extremely low volume, which was an extremely bearish sign. And then we got this small rally. But if you look at it on a higher chart, guys, maybe 12-hour, you can see we came, this flag here, went up. It's come down 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, very strong. But like I said, on a larger time frame, you can see we came in sideways, broke up, came down, and retraced. So really this could be a bull flag forming here. We're kind of going up. We decided out of this consolidation that we wanted to break up and form a little bullish flag here. Break down, up again, break down, up again, kind of getting a stairway going here, something like this. That is very, very possible, guys. But like I said, what I'm looking for, we do this step by step. So what I'm really looking for is a quick retrace up here. That's the next, day, the next maybe 24 hours, maybe 2 days for it to figure out it wants to retrace up, retest, maybe create a double top even before it makes its next move. And we'll evaluate it by seeing what the market looks like, what the MAs look like, what everything else looks like right now. But if we look into larger time frames real quick, I didn't get a chance to check that and see what the MAs are doing. It looks like the 10 has crossed the 20. They're all flat, really. The 200, or excuse me, the 100 is coming downwards. These are really flat. I do see, this is going to come up and test at least the 50. I see a nice test up. Hopefully it keeps going, but at least a nice test up in the next few days, guys. Hopefully Monday we see more volume. But I do see, like I said, this going upwards. So some of you guys could place a long here and place your stops. Give yourself a little bit of room down here and take it back to the upside, guys. We're not looking for huge moves. We're looking for profit. So that's all I have for you today. For you newbies, at the bottom, there's a description. You're going to see the Bitcoin Consumer Guide. This guide is going to help you guys trade and start in cryptocurrency. You're also going to get some information about exchanges, some information about Bitcoin, the rest of the market, also some tips that we use here inside the Alliance to make trades, to find trades, and to place trades. All that stuff's going to be super useful to you guys, so keep an eye on it. We'll be back tomorrow for the next Bitcoin breakdown, but I want you guys to mash that subscribe button, mash that like button if you found something useful in this video. But keep your eyes open, guys, because I think we're going to go to the upside next. We'll see what happens from there, and we'll keep tracking this thing day by day. So I'll see you guys in the next Bitcoin breakdown.